You promised me.
You promised to me.
Promise me, Jen.
You promised me your best man.
Maybe you promised me a cold one and a handshake.
You promised me the drive.
You promised me that you would write to me once a week.
And you promised me a shitload of fish. You'll get a shitload of fish.
You'll see soon enough.
You promised me answers.
You're gonna tell me what's the matter, or do I have to read your mind?
You promised me you would never do that. You stood right where you're standing now and you promised me.
I know. You promised me eternal life, but you give it to the pretty woman.
No, you promised me. You promised me.
Get off! I'm gonna you nothing.
Diego, you promised me. No more nights waiting up praying you'll come home alive.
You promised me that this film would not be an animation.
And it isn't.
You promised me you were up for this.
Yeah, baby, but to be fair, you were naked when most of those promises were made.
Here you go, kid.
Hey, this is only half of what you promised me.
Ah, shut up, kid.
I can't be the reason that you quit. You promised me that you wouldn't quit.
You promised me this was about work.
Lori, why don't you like me? I'm rich, I'm good looking, my dad owns the company.
I have a boyfriend. I've told you this.
You promised me.
I know. I promised I wouldn't hurt you, Bella. And this is me keeping that promise. Go home.
Stay focused. Do what you promised me.
What, you think I'm...
Do what you promised me.
You think I'm gonna let you down now, don't you? I've known you my whole damn life!